Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice. Long time no see, but I am here. I am back with a new video. Y'all saw me clap my hands, right? That means both my hands is working. Well, I'm not 100% back yet. I still have, some difficulties, whatever. But I'm here. I'm alive. I have survived. I have made it through this storm. But we're not talking about that. I need you to give me a thumbs up if you are feeling this hair right here. And if you want to see we won't really call it a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. But if you want to see how I styled this wig the way that I have styled it, then make sure you drop me a comment below and let me know that you want to see it. Anyway, today's video is not about this hair. It is all about this Smokey, legit, like real life Smokey eye. Not like, kind of, sort of, but not really Smokey eyes, you know what I'm saying? Like the little halo Smokey eyes or like the different color smoke. No. This is black on black Smokey eye realness, you know what I'm saying? Smoked out realness. So, if you want to see how I achieve this look and how you can do it too, then I suggest you keep on watching and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because if you are not, we might have to fight. We might. There was a truck that just passed by, so I had to, pause that, cut that out, whatever. Anyway, so keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. Okay, Mon Petites, so we just gonna dive right on in. So I'm starting with my eye already primed. I have not set it with powder. I just let it dry pretty much all the way down. And I'm gonna take this color, this brown color called Shea, like Shea Butter, from YTCallmeTrice, and I'm going to put that in directly into my crease as my transition color. If you can't get your hands on this one, but you should be able to, but if you can't get your hands onto it, it's kind of comparable to Zulu from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, but I like this color better because Zulu is more like a brick red, where this is more like a reddish brown. Anyway, so that's going right into my crease, and then I'm going to take that down to my outer V type area. And I'm just gonna blend that right on in there nice and good. I want it to be soft and spread out and, good and stuff. Speaking of the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, the next color we're going to be using is Burkina. So I'm gonna take that and with that same brush, place it right above the shade color that went into my crease. So I'm just going to blend those two colors together and get it nice and, smooth and whatnot. And with this look, you're gonna be doing a lot of blending. So just take your time, you ain't gotta rush. Just blend your stuff together. Make sure it's nice and seamless, you know what I'm saying? Because don't nobody need no harsh lines, because this look is not going for that. This is not a color block. We're smoking, This is a nice fade, a nice little fade. Next, I'm taking my MAC Black Track Fluid line, and don't be like me and have it all dried out and stuff. Use a, if yours is dried out, put it in the microwave and soften that joint up, because I did not, and you'll see in a second it is just crusty. But anyways, I'm taking my Black Track Fluid line and I'm going to put that all over my mobile lid, just my mobile lid, to get ready for the black eyeshadow that we're going to put on top of it. And since we're not using eyeliner, make sure you get this as close to your lash line as humanly flipping possible. It's a gel liner, so it's supposed to go that close to your lash line. You'll be all right. Just make sure you get it as close to your lash line as possible. Then once you have it all over your eyelid, your mobile lid, just the part that, below your crease, you want to try and blend it out as best as you can. Like I said, make sure yours ain't all dry and crusty like mine, because blending that shit out was hard, girl. It was hard. And typically you want that black base to be a lot darker than what I have going on, but do as I say, not as I do. So make sure your base is nice and dark. So once you have your black base all on and blended as best as you can, you're only blending that up right below the crease. Don't even get it into the crease. Just get it like right below the crease. So once you have it blended, you're going to take a matte black eyeshadow. I am just using the black from the Morphe 35B palette, but I do want to try that black from Makeup Geek. I have not gotten it yet, but we're using the black from the 35B palette, and you're going to pack that all over just the mobile lid. Do not push it up into your crease. Just pack it onto your mobile lid. Now you're gonna take a crease brush and just blend out that black. Start blending out the black. And you're not going to exactly take it up into your crease. It'll kind of just end up in your crease. You just wanna blend that line that you have, that harsh line that you have. Blend that joint out. And I'm using windshield wiper and circular motions. On the outer corner, I'm using circular motions. And on the inner corner, I'm gonna use windshield wiper kind of motions. I don't know if it just works better for me that way. But you are going to blend for dear life, sis strength. Once you're at the point where you have something that looks like this, you're going to take that shea color again on that same brush that you were using for the shea color. Don't get a new brush. We don't need a clean brush. We're just going to get the same brush. And you're going to put that in the crease to just blend with the black a bit more, just to make it a little smoother, a little more seamless. You know what I'm saying? Since my base was dry and crusty, my black didn't get as black as I prefer it to be. So I just went back in with some more of the Morphe black color and just put that again on my mobile lid and blended it with the rest of the colors as well. And then you're gonna end up with something that looks like this. So now I'm gonna apply my foundation. Since it was 3 o'clock in the morning, maybe 4 o'clock in the morning, I don't know, but I hadn't slept or whatever. I was just filming this video up late at night. So I did not prime my face. Usually I would, because I have oily ass skin and you know, I need to put a little barrier between things. But I did not prime my face, so I'm just going to put on my foundation. I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 338. Spicy brown, I think it is, spicy brown. And I am using the flat end of a damp Real Techniques sponge to blend it all out and, you know, get it all together. For concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro HD whatever in the shades medium beige and warm honey, and I'm going to put that under my eyes, on my little forehead, the bridge of my nose. Well, I ain't got no bridge of my nose. I'm putting it in the middle of my damn nose. You know what I'm saying? Then on my little button and on my chin area. And then I'm going to blend all that out. For contour, I'm using the Iman Second to None foundation stick in the shade Earth 6, I believe. I'm just putting that in the hollows of my cheek area and down the sides of my nose. I don't like to contour my forehead because I have a 5 head and I actually really like my 5 head. So I don't ever like to contour it. Oh, I forgot, I also do my jawline. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. stippling brush and I'm going to blend that right on out. And I like to blend upward towards my actual cheekbone. I just feel like it gives it a nicer blend, a nicer, more seamless blend. And I want that contour to be sharp, you know what I'm saying? And since my nose kind of just blends into my face, I don't have an actual side of my nose, so it's easier for me to blend out my nose contour with my fingers. With my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going to set underneath my eyes and the places that I put the lighter color concealer. And I kind of OD'd because I did not prime my face, so I didn't want the look to start moving before I finished, you know, the video, taking my pictures and all that crap, because it was hot AF underneath those lights. And I turned off the air conditioner because I was planning on talking during the video, but As you can see, I did not do that because here we are with this voiceover. But I did not bake it. I kind of just pressed the powder into my skin, and then I took a brush from Royal & Langnickel and wiped the excess off. For my brow bone highlight, I used the color Empire from that same Zuri Cosmetics palette. I really like this color. It's like, it's not a bright gold, it's not a yellow gold. It's like a nice, just a really nice, like you know the color of pyrite? It looks like that. I really like it. For my bottom lash line, I went back into Shea with a rather fluffy angled brush, and I kind of just packed that on. And then I took a black eye pencil. This one is from NYC and it's just black. And I put that on my waterline. And then using the brush that I put the black eyeshadow on my upper lid with, I kind of smudged that into my lower lash line. Then I took a pencil brush and just smudged that joint on out some more. And I also added a little bit of that shea color to the pencil brush. And child, when I say I smudged for dear life, honey, I smudged for dear life. Inner corner highlight is Dahlia, Juvia's Place Masquerade. It's that really pretty like white gold one in there. For lashes, I have no idea where these are from, but they were in the style D05. I want to say they're Eden Rose, but there's no name on the package. It's just silver glitter background, and I have no idea where I got these lashes from. I got like 5 pairs of lashes from this same company. They're all different, but I have no idea where these lashes came from, son. So I'm very, very sorry, but they are freaking beautiful. My lip combo is NYX Earth Tone Liner. And on top of that, I put my brown, usual, everyday, regular Beauty Supply Store Nicka K lip liner. And then ColourPop lipstick, satin lipstick in the color Echo Park. And then that was it. And I topped it with some clear gloss, and that's the end. This is the final look, girl. And I'm sorry I didn't do like a little final look pose so you could see the whole thing. It was late, girl. Girl, anyway. But that's it. That's it. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and make sure you are following me on all social media at @callme_Trice. Same name across the board. If you're trying to find me, girl, you're gonna find me. Okay? I think that's all there is to say. No. Oh, make sure you leave me a comment if you want to see how I style this little wig. Like I said, it ain't really a tutorial because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm trying to, I'm trying to make it cute. I'm trying to make it cute. If y'all think it's cute, let me know. Oh, one more very important thing. Thank you guys so much for all the support over these last 6 months. This has been a trying ass time for me, and you guys have been there. You guys have been have had my back. You guys have been so supportive and so encouraging, and I just really want to say, now that we're like at the end of it, we're on the final stretch of it, everything is almost done, almost over. Thank you guys for rocking with me, for having my back, for having love for me, for being so supportive. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my mother effing heart. Now y'all know. Anyway, that's all there is to say, and there is no more, except, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, 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 and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! Bye.